EPS pre-expander machine workflow. Pour the EPS raw material into the feed inlet. EPS raw materials are fed into a pre-expansion machine for expansion. EPS granules are fed into the silo after production. There are pipes connecting the silo and the machine. In addition, auxiliary equipment is required. It consists of steam boiler, steam tank, air compressor, and air tank. EPS pre-expansion machines are being loaded and shipped. We are a professional manufacturer of EPS equipment. The factory is equipped with large gantry milling machines, CNC precision machining centers, and a variety of machining equipment, providing strong process support for equipment manufacturing. The company has obtained CE certification and ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and has won many domestic and foreign honorary certificates. Our machines have been delivered to clients across numerous countries where they have gained strong customer appreciation and industry recognition.